lectures, lecturer, supervisor, tutorial, seminars, professor, tutor, research, project, advisor, career consultant, essays, dissertation, thesis, oral presentation, group discussion, attendance, compulsory, required, learning outcomes, reading list, syllabus, handbook, equipment, course outline, course organization, course delivery, overview, courses, assessment, finals, module, subjects, grades, module overview, pass and fail, feedback, student support, counseling, counselor, coach, coaching, scholarship, elective module. Marking criteria, average, compensation, results, editing, theories, principle, referencing style, references, plagiarism, submission, deadline, bibliography, guidelines, primary sources, secondary sources, scholarly evidence, theory, criticism. Notes, list, bullet points, spidergram, spider chart, radar chart. Stationery, handouts, business cards, bookmark. Beginning of term, end of term, first half, second half of term.